In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a dynamic dashboard sidebar with ChatGPT light and dark modes. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use ChatGPT to generate a modern, responsive dashboard interface with a dynamic sidebar that supports both light and dark modes. The goal is to create a clean, professional SaaS-style dashboard while understanding the important features that make the interface both functional and user-friendly. Begin by opening your web browser and visiting the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the main chat screen, locate the message input area where you'll enter your prompt. To get the best possible result, write a detailed prompt that clearly explains the type of dashboard you want to create. Mention that you need a modern, responsive dashboard UI with a dynamic sidebar that supports both light and dark modes. Next, specify the elements that should appear in the sidebar. Include navigation items such as Home, Analytics, Reports, Settings, and Profile. Also request a logo at the top of the sidebar, a theme toggle for switching between light and dark modes, and a collapsible sidebar that can expand or collapse depending on the user's preference. Being specific with these requirements helps ChatGPT generate code that closely matches your intended design. Once you submit the prompt, allow ChatGPT a few moments to generate the response. When the code is ready, review the summary to ensure all the requested features have been included. Look for items such as responsive layouts, active navigation highlighting, smooth animations, light and dark mode support, and a clean SaaS-inspired interface. After confirming the generated features, examine the JavaScript component to understand how the dashboard is structured. Pay attention to how the sidebar, dashboard layout, and analytics section are organized. It's also helpful to review how the components work together with the Tailwind CSS configuration, since this controls much of the styling and responsiveness throughout the application. Continue reviewing the remaining files provided by ChatGPT, including the project structure, required dependencies, the main application component, and any additional features explained in the response. Understanding how these pieces connect will make it much easier to customize the dashboard later. Finally, use the built-in preview to see the completed dashboard in action. Test the navigation by selecting the Home, Analytics, Reports, Settings, and Profile menu items, and verify that the active menu state updates correctly. Switch between light and dark modes and collapse or expand the sidebar to ensure every feature works smoothly across the entire interface. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,